Yes, good morning. So today we are going to make a case digest penned by Justice Ami Lazaro Javier. So we have GR number 234,251, June 30, 2020. Republic of the Philippines petitioner versus Salome si Timario respondent. So facts. Antecedents. When she was securing official documents for her survivorship benefits with the GSIS, she was surprised to discover that she had another birth certificate registered with the local civil registrar, Usami City, under registry number 92-03432. It erroneously indicated that she was born on November 17, 1949, and her father's name was Pedro Langam. Trial court's ruling. The Republic filed its comment opposition dated April 26, 2016, claiming it was only able to receive copy of the petition on April 21, 2016. The Republic averred that the proceedings were void for respondents' failure to comply with the jurisdictional requirements under Section 3, Rule 108 of the Revised Rules of Court. Under this provision, respondent was required to implead both her purported fathers Pedro Langam and Antonio Casera, her mother Rosinda B. Acacio, as well as her siblings, since their successional rights and filiation might be affected by the outcome of the proceedings. Strict compliance with Rule 108 was warranted by the correction sought would affect respondent's filiation with her supposed father Pedro Langam or Antonio Casera. The Court of Appeals ruling. As for respondent alleged failure to present valid grounds and credible evidence to justify sub- subject substantial correction, it ruled that evidence on record clearly reflected Antonio Casera as her father and November 17, 1950 as her date of birth. The present petition. 2. The court is faulted for ruling that the Republic was duly represented by the deputized prosecutor when in fact the presentation of evidence was done ex parte before the clerk of court. Thus, the Republic was deprived of the opportunity to cross-examine respondent during the ex parte hearing. Respondent did not file her comment to the petition despite our directive under resolution dated January 22, 2018. Threshold issue. Did the trial court acquire jurisdiction over the petition for correction of entries? Ruling. Rule 108 of the Revised Rules of Court outlines the procedure for cancellation or correction of entries in the civil registry. The proceedings may either be summary or adversary, depending on whether the correction sought is clerical or substantial. If the correction is clerical, the procedure to be adopted is summary. Otherwise, it is adversary. Corrections in either name or names of an individual's present or parents in his or her birth certificate involve substantial matters which require an adversarial proceeding. Section 3, Rule 108 of the Rules of Court ordains. Section 3. Parties. When cancellation as correction of the entry in the civil register is sought, the civil registrar and all persons who have or claim any interest which would be affected thereby shall be made parties to that proceeding. Here, respondent failed to implead her two purported fathers, Pedro Langgam and Antonio Casera, her mother, Rosinda B. Acasio, and her siblings in violation of Section 3, Rule 108 of the revised Rules of Court. At any rate, the conflicting interests in respondents' birth certificate were based on the information she herself had given to the local civil registrar. Osami City, thus bringing in her two fathers, her mother, and her siblings as indispensable parties, here will afford them the chance to be heard, as the corrections being sought will also affect their own personal circumstances, the names they bear, their affiliation, and the, even their successional rights. All told, the petition for correction of interest below should be dismissed. The trial court's failure to acquire jurisdiction over indispensable parties rendered all proceedings therein, including the decision itself, void. Accordingly, the petition is granted and the decision dated May 31, 2017 and resolution dated August 29, 2017 in CAGR CB number 04366 MIN reversed and set aside. So ordered. Doctrine. Respondent had known from the start that she had two registered fathers, Antonio Casera and Pedro Langgam. She knew her mother, Rosinda Acasio, and all her siblings. Let but she failed to implead them and offered no explanation therefore. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Good day. God bless. This is a remedial law subject in the bar exam this 2025. Thank you. Good day and God bless.